Ridroid Conguero. First up is the Ridroid Conguero, an extraordinary personal mobility device that is set to revolutionize how we navigate urban environments. Designed with advanced robotics, the Conguero is not only sleek and stylish, but also incredibly intuitive, allowing riders to maneuver through busy streets with ease. Its stability algorithms adjust to various terrains, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're on flat pavement or navigating rougher paths. With a lightweight frame and impressive battery life, the Conguero is perfect for short commutes and leisurely rides alike, making personal mobility more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Blizzwheel e-scooter. Next, we have the Blizzwheel e-scooter, which is transforming urban travel. This scooter features a powerful motor and an advanced battery that offers an impressive range, making it ideal for longer commutes without the need for frequent recharging. The Blizzwheel's modern design is complemented by a user-friendly mobile app that provides essential features such as GPS navigation, ride tracking, and even theft protection. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to carry and store, while the smooth ride quality ensures a comfortable experience for commuters. With all these features, the Blizzwheel is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint while zipping around the city. Shane Car. Moving on, we have the Shane Car, which introduces a fresh and innovative concept in electric vehicle design. This compact car stands out with its customizable modular features, allowing owners to tailor various aspects such as battery capacity, interior layout, and tech packages to meet their specific needs. The Shane Car not only prioritizes sustainability, but also emphasizes practicality with its smart connectivity options. Drivers can integrate their devices seamlessly, enhancing their overall driving experience. With impressive energy efficiency and a stylish design, the Shane Car is the perfect vehicle for eco-conscious drivers looking for versatility and convenience in their daily lives. Daymax Spiritus Prototype. Next, we explore the Daymax Spiritus Prototype, a futuristic all-electric three-wheeler that promises to change the face of urban commuting. With a striking design that balances aesthetics and aerodynamics, the Spiritus offers impressive acceleration and an extensive driving range, making it ideal for city travel. Its unique three-wheel design combines the thrill of motorcycle riding with the comfort of a car, giving users a novel driving experience. Additionally, the Spiritus is packed with advanced safety features, ensuring peace of mind for drivers. This innovative vehicle aims to capture the essence of freedom on the road while embracing eco-friendly technology. Electrum Elev e-bike. The Electrum Elev e-bike is another game-changer in personal transportation, designed for both urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing in at a mere fraction of traditional bikes, this e-bike is engineered for performance and ease of use. It features cutting-edge battery technology that allows for long-range capabilities, making it perfect for extended rides or daily commute. Riders can enjoy various pedal assist modes, which enhance the riding experience and make uphill climbs feel effortless. With a stylish design and robust build, the Electrum LEV not only promotes a healthy lifestyle, but also contributes to a greener future, making it an appealing choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Scalevo Stair Climbing Wheelchair. For individuals with mobility challenges, the Scalevo Stair Climbing Wheelchair offers a groundbreaking solution that enhances accessibility in everyday life. This innovative wheelchair is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to navigate stairs with remarkable ease, providing users the independence to traverse environments that may have previously been inaccessible. The Scalevo's lightweight yet sturdy design ensures it can handle various terrains, making it a versatile mobility solution. With its focus on empowering users, this wheelchair not only promotes mobility, but also fosters inclusivity, allowing everyone to participate fully in community life. IEVZ. The IEVZ is a compact electric vehicle tailored specifically for urban settings. Its minimalist design emphasizes functionality without sacrificing style, making it a standout choice for city dwellers. This vehicle features a highly efficient electric powertrain that delivers impressive performance while keeping emissions low. With rapid charging capabilities and smart technology integration, the IEVZ caters to the needs of modern commuters. Ample cargo space and a user-friendly interface further enhance its practicality, ensuring that sustainability and convenience go hand in hand. This vehicle aims to redefine urban driving, making it a smart and stylish option for navigating city life. Yamaha Tri-Town. The Yamaha Tri-Town is a unique three-wheeled vehicle that blends stability with the agility of a scooter. This innovative design allows riders to lean into turns, creating a dynamic and enjoyable riding experience. Equipped with a powerful electric motor and advanced suspension system, the Tri-Town is perfect for navigating busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride through parks. Its intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to operate, while its comfortable seating ensures long rides are a pleasure rather than a chore. Whether you're commuting or exploring, the Yamaha Tri-Town offers a fresh approach to urban mobility. Ono Cargo Bike. Now, we look at Ono Cargo Bikes, which provide an innovative solution for urban logistics. These robust bicycles are designed to handle various loads, making them ideal for businesses and eco-conscious consumers alike. With ample cargo space and a sturdy frame, Ono Cargo Bikes can transport everything from groceries to deliveries, reducing reliance on traditional vehicles. The electric assist feature ensures that even heavier loads can be carried effortlessly, promoting sustainable practices in city living. As cities become more congested, these cargo bikes represent a smart alternative, helping to decrease traffic and emissions while encouraging healthier transportation options. ClineVision Flying Car. Finally, we conclude with the ClineVision Flying Car, a groundbreaking prototype that merges the functionality of a car with the capabilities of a small aircraft. This visionary vehicle aims to redefine transportation by allowing it to take off and land vertically, drastically reducing travel time and alleviating urban traffic congestion. With its sleek design and advanced aerodynamics, the ClineVision offers a glimpse into a future where commuting may involve soaring through the skies instead of sitting in traffic. While still in development, this flying car exemplifies the potential for innovation in transportation, sparking excitement about what the future may hold. And there you have it. These innovative vehicles provide just a glimpse into the exciting future of transportation. Which one are you most eager to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and transportation. Stay tuned for more content as we continue to explore the world of innovative mobility solutions.